Hello, I want to show you this random normal function which creates an array of random numbers, and here is a chart of this random normal function results, and I want to show you the limit it has. This function by its definition uses another function called normDist. And this normDist function, maybe it has some limits. Let me show you. I'll create new sheets.new, and while it creating for me a new spreadsheet, I will show you how this formula works. You give it to three parameters. One of it, 1000, is number of items. Second is 25 is mean, and third is deviation. And this is plus, minus, minus, or minus mean. So if you have mean 25, you will get numbers 25 minus 4 up to 25 plus 4, or 21 to 29 in this case. And I also want to try this formula. And what I will do, I go to menu, data, and named functions. And here I'll import this function from my generators. I'll print part of name, generators, and now it found for me. So I can go ahead and import all functions from this. And now I can try it in this new file just for tests. If I type random normal, I'll have this tip, and I want 1,500, and I want 50, and deviation equals 10. So now I have these numbers. It will update, and this error will go. So I will have this 1,500 of normally distributed numbers. Hopefully, if this formal definition is correct, then this is my case. But if I add more, for instance, if I add 2,500, it will produce an error which was new for me. It says calculation limit was reached. We're trying to complete this formula. Maybe there is an built-in gene, and maybe your limit will differ from mine. Please tell me. My limit is about 1.9 thousand of items. So it will work for 1.9 thousand items. And let me show you also the chart. I hope it will be look like a bar chart. Insert chart here. I don't know what I got, because this random normal is not exact truth, but you can see that it quite looks like a bell. And if I change it to line chart, I guess I want to line chart. Nope, not like this. It's a bell because it gives me some ranges, and some. But if I make something like distribution, like a query of this and this, I got the same column, because I cannot take the same one in counting, and I need to count things here. Select col1, count of col2, group by col1. Now you see it. So it's from 40 to 60, everything as expected. And now I can plot these to create a chart. Insert chart. And now I can make it look like dots or like lines. Maybe dots will be better. So now you can see it also looks like a bell. So it looks like a bell chart, but these figures are randomly distributed. And of course, for some unknown for me reason, I have this limit of 1.9 thousand elements, and so I ask you, please load this sample to your computer and test it, and write in the comments if you also have this limit.